And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you a delicious pizza dough recipe. So what you'll need is, I have 2 cups of bread flour, I have 3 cups of pizza flour, I have 2.5 cups of lukewarm water, I have 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, I have 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons of instant dry yeast. Also, I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt. All right, let's start cooking. So what we are going to do is we're going to combine the flours together. Now, what's good about bread flour and also the pizza flour is it's basically it has more flour proteins in it that stretch. If you have all-purpose flour, it's going to be so dense in it, and also it's going to be more likely to tear apart. So that's why I like to combine pizza flour and also bread flour. So we're going to add our salt, add our olive oil. Now what I like to do is add some of the water to the actual yeast and stir it up. So you want to let it activate for basically a minute or two. So you're going to start seeing it to bubble a little bit. While you're doing that, you can add the water to the flour mixture. Basically mix a little bit. Okay, it's about a minute. Now we can add our yeast. To our dough mixture. Okay, once we get it like this, now it's time to knead the dough. Okay, we're gonna knead the dough. I'm gonna take a little bit of extra flour, just so it doesn't stick to the cutting board. Also, a little tip is add a little bit to your hands too, so it doesn't stick to your hands. So we're going to take our dough and we're going to knead it. So it's basically fold it over, push down, fold it over, push down. So the flour that I'm using, just as the dusting, is all-purpose flour. So okay, a little bit more. Okay, we pretty much got into a ball. Now, you want to take a bowl, you want to coat it with extra virgin olive oil. You're going to take our pizza dough and we're going to add it to our bowl. And then also we're going to take some plastic wrap. Actually, put it on top. Now we're going to let it rest for at least 2 hours before we knead it again, and then it will be ready to use. All right, our pizza dough has doubled in size. So what we're going to do, we're going to get it out. We're gonna knead it one more time. Gonna need a little bit more flour. Okay. around, push it down. What we're going to do is we're going to cut our pizza dough in half because this recipe is good enough to make 2. And we're going to go and make a ball. So basically what we're doing is we're taking everything, or we're taking the edge and we're folding it inside of itself. There's one. Taking the other one, basically folding, doing the same, folding inside of itself. A little spin. Now these, you could refrigerate for the next day, or you could freeze them, or you could cook them today, but I would wait 45 minutes and put it in a bowl and put a plastic wrap over it, and then it will be ready for making pizza. And there we have it. We have our pizza dough. It's pretty easy. It's only a couple of ingredients, but just give it a little bit of time and you'll have a perfect pizza dough. And if you like to see more recipes like these, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.